Here's my 1979 homelite XL. Looks like brand new. It's very nice, original condition. I got it from a flea market from about a year ago. It is a 3-in-1 chainsaw. It had a 10-inch bar, 12-inch bar, and a 14-inch bar on it now. I'd rather have a 14-inch bar onto this thing anyway. Very good little firewood saw. It don't even have an air filter cover on it, so I'm going to have to order one for it. I'll show you quick controls on it. Throttle, switch, handguard, fuel, and oil tank, choke, half choke, run. Low and high idle speed jets. Air filter, log dogs. It's a very good running little saw. I'll definitely start it up real quick and let you listen to it. It's a very good little saw. I have another one. It's an 85. I'll show you the other one with 16-inch bar on it. So I will eventually get an air filter cover for this thing. But I did put a new air filter in it, so it runs pretty good with an air filter. It's a good thing I had an old one for it for this thing, which that was a perfect fit onto this saw. It's got an automatic oiler. The oiler does work. I did sharpen the chain on it. Got it sharp. I might make me another chain, spare chain for it. Chain's a little tight. I'll definitely untie it just a little bit. Just a little, but not too much. I'll go ahead and loosen it up for a little bit. Where I put the right tool. That's better. Now it moves slightly. Don't want to over tighten this vane too much because it'll strip it up and it's not good. Here's the other one. I had this vane for about almost 5 years. Never had any trouble with this vane. It's a good little firewood saw, but the kill switch is bad in it. So every time for a kill switch need to be replaced. I may go ahead and loosen this up too. It is kind of a little tight. Shit. Loosen it too much. Yeah, that is a bit loose. Now, tighten it back up. Anyway, here's this one I was telling you about, but this one's got a bad kill switch in it. But it does run, but the kill switch don't even work on it no more. I'll see if I could try to get it started. Let you listen to it for a little bit. I'll show you the different years on those saws. That's all you gotta do is choke it to kill it. But there you go. Love y'all on that because that thing still is a runner. But I will potentially try to replace it with an XL12 kill switch on this thing. But I had to wait for my dad to help me out with this. But these two are definitely the same, but they're different years. But they're different year models onto these two. But this one's got a rear trigger on the right, and that one's got the one in the middle. They both got same carburetors and same fuel tank and oil tank. They're both pretty good working saws, but the kill switch on this one need to be replaced. But I really like this one with the handle on the middle. It reminds me of that Ash Evil Dead, and the other one, that Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2 that I watched on TUBI. But this is a good little saw. Well, they're very good chainsaws, and I finally fixed the pull rope on the 82100 XP. It's a little short, but I got an extra pull ropes for it, and for the other saws. Well, anyways, there's the video of my 1979 homelite XL automatic oiling chainsaw. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. If you've seen one of these saws on the horror movies, let me know. I'll see you next time. Alrighty, I'll catch you on next video. Thanks for watching.